In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $2,000 per day or per week with high-ticket affiliate marketing system. As you can see here on my screen, right, I'm making $2,050 per day, $500, $550, $500 per day, $47, right? And here you see $2,500 per day, $2,000 commissions. So you see, every single day I'm getting high-ticket affiliate commissions. Now, if you're a newbie and if you're a beginner watching this video right now, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, you're making this money, but how can I make this money as a newbie? As someone who have no experience online with affiliate marketing, with online marketing, with affiliate marketing, right? How can I make the money online as a newbie, as someone maybe who have some money on the side and a little bit of time to invest, right? So if you're watching this video, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly step-by-step tutorial how can I make this kind of money online and how you can duplicate the same system online. So here are the commissions, right, with this online affiliate marketing system. Now, what is the most important thing? Let me show you over here. How do I make this money, right? So let me show you what you are getting, right? So this system is paying you $2,350 per sale. So it means they are paying you 100% affiliate marketing commissions every single day. So you can set up your PayPal, Bitcoin, wire transfer, or Stripe account, right? You can set up any of these accounts and get paid daily. So what is my bonus? My personal support is one-on-one, right? So you're getting 1,000 clicks, buyers clicks to your affiliate link. So if you join with a system, for example, like you have many levels, right? So the highest level is $2,500 and you get paid $2,350 per sale, right? 100% commissions. What you're getting with me is also this, your 1,000 clicks, which is extra bonus, and also my VIP bonus, which is fence tipper templates and training, which is valid over $10,000 US for free. So your income will never be the same because you can use these templates, free templates, email marketing templates that I'm going to give you, which I personally use to close over $8,000 to $15,000 in sales. So this program only costs up to $2,500 US, but these emails I used closed over $15,000 in sales. So you can use this same system, the same templates for email marketing, to put it in your own system. So I will personally one-on-one mentor you and guide you to get these kind of sales and results with high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So you're getting all of this. So what you can do next? So after watching this video, you can click below the link below this video, create your free account with Profit Passport system, and then you can activate your level to the $2,500, which is basically Vertex Live program. And you see over here, 10kmode.com, you can click on this link and upgrade to Vertex Live so that I can then send you traffic your way to your affiliate link. So you're getting 1,000 free clicks from me. I will buy clicks for you when you join my program, right? So you're getting this, right? The clicks. And as you can see over here, right? If we go back, you will see, right? We're getting all these commissions with the system, right? $500 per day, $2,050 per day, right? $2,000, $2,500, $2,000, $2,500. All of these we are getting every single day. So if you're a newbie and you're thinking, how the heck can I duplicate the same results? You don't have to worry. Why? Because if you have someone to guide you through step by step along the way and show the ropes, right, of how exactly everything is done, then you can have the same results. Imagine this. If you have only one sale per week, not per day, not second day, per week, you're earning $2,350 per week. That's almost $10,000 per month with only one sale per week. Now, ask yourself, would be that worth it? If yes, then let me know after watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and send me the message. Slide into my DM on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram. You can see over here, right? On my Instagram, you can find me over here. You can see that's my profile. You can just slide down and you can click the link below this video to reach me out. Send me any message you want. You can see over here at my Instagram. Just check me out, right? Send me any message you want, and I will personally help you and guide you through step by step along the way to have the results. And I will connect you with our Facebook group for free, our community, right? We have like-minded people just like you who are getting $2,000 per sale with free traffic commissions every single day. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.